Amana heat pumps for sale. Looking for a dependable, energy-efficient way to heat and cool your home year-round? At Twintech Heating Cooling, we proudly offer top-of-the-line Amana heat pumps to homeowners across the Durham Region and Toronto. With professional installation, local expertise, and unbeatable customer service, we make upgrading your home comfort system easier than ever. Why choose an Amana heat pump? Amana has long been recognized as a leader in HVAC innovation. Their heat pumps are built for durability, efficiency, and comfort, perfect for Ontario's ever-changing climate. Energy efficiency that saves you money. Amana heat pumps offer excellent SEER and HSPF ratings, which means they provide strong cooling in summer and reliable heating in winter while keeping your energy bills low. The energy savings add up quickly, especially when replacing older, less efficient systems. Quiet, reliable operation. Engineered with noise-reducing components, Amana units operate quietly, making them ideal for residential settings. Features like scroll compressors and smart defrost systems ensure consistent performance even in colder weather. Industry-leading warranties. Amana stands out with its limited lifetime unit replacement warranties on select models, as well as generous parts warranties. This offers you long-term peace of mind and protection for your investment. Why homeowners in Durham Region, Toronto trust Twintech? As a trusted local HVAC provider, Twintech Heating Cooling delivers expert installation. Our technicians are fully trained to install Amana systems to manufacturer specifications, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Rebate assistance. We help homeowners take full advantage of available government rebates and energy efficiency programs, making your upgrade more affordable. Customized solutions. Whether you live in a modern condo in Toronto or a family home in Whitby, we assess your space and recommend the best system for your needs. Ongoing support. We're here before, during, and after the installation to make sure you're comfortable year-round. Why a heat pump is the right choice for Ontario homes. In a climate like ours, where summers are hot and winters can be harsh, heat pumps offer an all-in-one solution. They provide cooling during the summer and heating during the winter without the need for separate systems. With rising energy costs, an efficient Amana heat pump can help reduce your carbon footprint while saving you money on monthly utility bills. Get a free quote on Amana heat pumps today. At Twintech Heating Cooling, we're committed to helping Durham Region and Toronto homeowners stay comfortable year-round with dependable, high-performance Amana heat pumps. Whether you're replacing an old system or upgrading for better efficiency, we'll guide you through every step of the process, from product selection to installation and rebate filing. Contact Twintech today to learn more about Amana heat pumps for sale, request a personalized estimate, and take the first step toward improved home comfort and lower energy costs.